Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan by land area. It is located in the southwestern part of the country. This vast region shares borders with Iran to the west and Afghanistan to the north. To the south, it has a long and beautiful coastline along the Arabian Sea. The province's capital city is Quetta, which is situated in a valley surrounded by mountains. Balochistan makes up nearly half of Pakistan's total territory. This strategic location has made it a crossroads for different cultures and empires for thousands of years. Its position is very important for trade and connection between South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. The geography of Balochistan is incredibly diverse and often presents a stark, rugged beauty. It is a land of great contrasts, with high, barren mountains and wide, open plains. You can find dry deserts here, but also fertile valleys where fruits are grown. The Makran Coastal Highway runs along its southern edge, offering breathtaking views of the sea. This varied landscape has deeply shaped the lives of the people who call this place home. The environment has influenced their traditions, their economy, and their resilient character. Understanding this geography is the first step to understanding the spirit of Balochistan and its people. The name Balochistan means the land of the Baloch. The Baloch people are the main ethnic group living in this region. They have a long and proud history that is deeply connected to this land. Their stories and traditions are woven into the very mountains and deserts of the province. While it is the largest province, it is also the least populated one. This is mainly because of its challenging terrain and arid climate. People have learned to live in this tough environment for centuries. They have developed unique ways of life that are adapted to the natural world around them. This introduction sets the stage for a deeper exploration of this fascinating province. Balochistan is much more than just a large piece of land on a map. It is a place with a rich soul, a deep history, and a vibrant culture that deserves to be known and appreciated. Its strategic importance and natural resources also make it a key region for the future development of Pakistan. As we journey through its history, people, and traditions, we will see how Balochistan contributes a unique and irreplaceable part to the diverse identity of the nation. It is a land of stories waiting to be told. The history of Balochistan stretches back to the dawn of human civilization. Archaeologists have found evidence of some of the earliest human settlements in this region. One of the most important ancient sites is Mehrgarh, which dates back to around 7000 BCE. This makes it one of the oldest farming and herding communities discovered in South Asia. The people of Mehrgarh lived in mud brick houses, cultivated crops like barley and wheat, and were among the first to domesticate animals. This ancient settlement shows that Balochistan was a center of early human development and innovation long before many other famous civilizations emerged. Over the centuries, Balochistan was influenced by many great empires due to its strategic location. The Achaemenid Empire of Persia, Alexander the Great's forces, and later the Mauryan Empire all left their mark on this land. These historical events brought new ideas, cultures, and people to the region, adding layers to its already complex history. The remnants of ancient forts, travel routes, and artifacts found across the province tell stories of these powerful dynasties. This long history of being a part of major empires has contributed to the diverse cultural heritage that we see in Balochistan today. The arrival of Islam in the 7th century marked a significant turning point for the region. Arab armies brought the new faith, which was gradually adopted by the local population. This event connected Balochistan to the wider Islamic world, influencing its culture, laws, and social structures. The period saw the rise of local Baloch Sardars, or tribal chiefs, who governed their territories with a degree of independence. They established a system of rule that was based on tribal customs and traditions, a system that has continued to influence the social and political landscape of the province for centuries. In more recent history, Balochistan came under British influence during the 19th century as part of the Great Game between the British and Russian empires. The British signed treaties with the Khan of Kalat, who was the ruler of a large part of the region. They established an administrative presence to secure their interests in this strategic area. After the partition of British India in 1947, the state of Kalat, along with other smaller principalities in the region, acceded to Pakistan. This event marked the beginning of modern Balochistan as a province of the newly formed country, bringing its long and storied past into the fabric of Pakistan. The people of Balochistan are known for their strong sense of identity and their deep-rooted traditions. The population is made up of several tribes, with the Baloch being the most prominent. Other significant groups include the Brahui, who speak a unique Dravidian language, and Pashtuns, who mainly live in the northern parts of the province. Each tribe has its own distinct customs, but they share a common cultural code known as the Baloch Maya. This unwritten code emphasizes values like hospitality, bravery, honoring one's word, and protecting the honor of the tribe. This code guides social interactions and is a source of great pride. The main tribes of the Baloch people include the Mari, Bugti, Rind, Lashari, and Mengal, among many others. Each tribe is traditionally led by a chief known as a Sardar. The tribal structure has been the foundation of social and political life in Balochistan for centuries. Family and kinship ties are extremely important, and loyalty to one's tribe is a core value. While modern life is bringing changes, this tribal system continues to play a significant role in rural areas. It provides a sense of community and a framework for resolving disputes and managing local affairs according to long-standing customs. The way of life in Balochistan is often shaped by the environment. Many people are involved in agriculture, growing fruits like apples, grapes, and pomegranates in the fertile valleys. In other areas, animal husbandry is the main livelihood, with people raising sheep, goats, and camels. This pastoral lifestyle has been practiced for generations and is well suited to the region's vast rangelands. Along the Makran coast, fishing is the primary occupation, providing a source of income and food for the coastal communities. This close connection to the land and sea is a defining feature of the people's lives. Hospitality is a cornerstone of Balochi culture. Guests are treated with the utmost respect and generosity, a tradition that is deeply ingrained in the Baloch Maya. A guest is considered a blessing, and families will share whatever they have, no matter how little. This warm welcome is extended to strangers and friends alike, reflecting a deep sense of community and human kindness. This tradition of hospitality, combined with a fierce sense of independence and pride, defines the character of the people of Balochistan. It is a culture that has been preserved and passed down through many generations. The culture of Balochistan is rich and colorful, expressed through its language, food, and clothing. The main language spoken is Balochi, which is an Indo-Iranian language with several dialects. It has a strong oral tradition, with poetry and storytelling playing a central role in preserving history and cultural values. Balochi cuisine is simple yet flavorful, often centered around meat, especially lamb. Saji, which is whole lamb or chicken roasted over a fire, is a famous traditional dish. Kahak, a type of hard bread baked around a stone, is another unique specialty that reflects a life adapted to the rugged landscape. The traditional clothing of Balochistan is known for its vibrant colors and intricate embroidery. Women's dresses are particularly beautiful, featuring detailed needlework with small mirrors and colorful threads. This embroidery, known as Balochi Doch, is a highly skilled art form passed down from mother to daughter. Each design can be unique to a specific tribe or region. Men traditionally wear a loose shirt called a kameez, with baggy trousers called shalwar. They also wear a distinctive turban, or pagri, which is a symbol of honor and dignity in their culture. The province is blessed with stunning natural beauty. Its landscape includes the majestic peaks of the Sulaiman Mountains and the dramatic canyons of Hingal National Park. The park is also home to unique geological formations like the Princess of Hope rock structure and the bubbling mud volcanoes. The coastline of Balochistan is equally spectacular, with pristine beaches such as Kund Malir and Gwadar. The clear blue waters of the Arabian Sea against the backdrop of desert mountains create a truly unforgettable scene. This natural splendor is a source of inspiration and pride for the people. Festivals are a time of great joy and celebration, bringing communities together. The Sibi Mela is one of the most famous annual festivals, a cultural and agricultural fair that has been held for centuries. It features horse and cattle shows, traditional sports, folk music, and dance. Other celebrations, like Eid, are observed with great enthusiasm. These events are a showcase of the province's rich cultural heritage. The history, culture, and natural beauty of Balochistan are vital to Pakistan. They add incredible diversity and depth to the national identity, representing a legacy of resilience, artistry, and a profound connection to the land.